Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to increase Snapchat score without sending snap. So let's get started. So if you want to increase your Snapchat score but you don't want to send snaps to anyone, so to do that what you can do is first open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application just tap on your profile which is on the top left, and after tapping on that now you can simply see your snap score by tapping on that option which you can find in your profile. So by tapping on that now you can see the snap score from here. So now what you have to do is just simply come back and then tap on the message icon which is on the bottom of your screen, and then head over to your chats. And now if you just view a snap of someone, so just simply view a snap of a person, and after doing that now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon and then again check your snap score, and after doing that you will find that your snap score has been increased. So you don't have to post snaps to someone, you can just easily view a snap of a person, and after doing that your snap score will be increased. So you just simply do that, and after doing that you will find that your score has been increased. So that's it guys, it is how to increase snap score without sending snaps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.